Hello everyone, welcome to Team 2 Sprint 2 Review. We're creating a neighborhood association website for our project. This week we participated in a daily Scrum, stand-up meeting, and Sprint 2 review meeting. Reporting our daily Scrum. The daily Scrum was addressed through Google Hangouts since we're unable to meet in person. We were still able to keep it short and simple. 3 questions we addressed in the stand-up meeting. The first, what did I do yesterday that helped the development team meet the sprint goal? The first question was addressed with data used today from work done yesterday, with each day building on the previous day's work. To answer the second question, what will I do today to meet the sprint goal? Everyone worked very hard to meet the goal and finished task 1 day early. By answering question 3, do I see anything that will prevent me or the development team from meeting the goal? The team determined that the finished product needed to be finalized 1 day early due to Easter weekend. This was an important item to be assessed. The sprint review was addressed through Google Hangouts, determining where the project is in the process and how to adapt it. For the retrospective notes, the team addressed what they need to start doing, what they need to stop doing, and what they need to continue doing. The team needs to start showing the website to customers early. They need to specify acceptance tests early and with customers. They need to be on time for the daily meetings. They need to finish one story before starting the next. The team needs to stop having only some of the members participate in the Scrum meetings. And they need to stop falling behind at the end of a sprint. The team needs to continue regular communication outside the stand-up meetings. They need to continue to assign tasks early in the sprint. The team's product backlog stands as is. Approved changes to the website, edit profiles and update information on the profiles, add or remove events, pay my fees using the website, use the site to find information about upcoming events, find information about my neighborhood, including parks or other recreational areas, update my profile, including email and phone numbers, look up company information on every page. To review the lessons learned, the total story points were 61. The ideal velocity per week was 15.25. The ideal velocity per day was 2.18. The ideal story points completed by the end of this week was 45.75. The total story points completed by the end of this week was 44. And the current velocity per day was 2.2. The goal was 17 story points with 8 days with 2.125 velocity per day. For the BCE, the amount we planned to spend on the project was $360. For the BTE, the time planned to spend on the project is 4 weeks. The cost, the estimated cost that may go over and beyond our project is $100. The estimated time that could possibly go over the original estimate is 1 week. The likelihood is 0.1. The risk cost is $10. The risk time is 0.1 week. The estimate cost was $370, and the estimate time is 4.1 week. For the final portion of the sprint review, The burn down chart for the first sprint, the team was ahead of the projected rate. For the second sprint, the team was right on target. At the beginning of the third sprint, the team was slightly behind schedule, but at the end of sprint 3, they are now slightly ahead of schedule. Looking at the sprint review 2, Team 2 is very pleased with their overall progress of the project, with an excellent team communication, coordination, and effort.